Hey everyone, so I'm going to be doing a quick video using a solar panel and recording voltage. So as you can see, I have my meter here and I'm reading 4.81 volts and it's connected to my solar panel. And so as you can see, when I cover up the solar panel, you see that the voltage drops down. So it's reading at 4.8 volts on the meter, and so it's I'm getting that much voltage from a one little solar panel. The current is actually rated at 100 milliamps. So let me see if I can do that real quick. Like this. Take that. So, oh, and I'm on common. There you go. All right. So, I'm reading right now. I have my current hooked up, and I'm reading 5 milliamps. That's, I go to amps. 5 milliamps. Well, a little over 5 milliamps, close to 6 milliamps. Alright, so that concludes this video, and thank you for your time.